Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are learning some flowers. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and circle sizer. Here I have 3 colored strips. I am starting with quilling a coil. I have placed this coil on a bigger number on the circle sizer. Now I am quilling a coil. I have placed the second coil on a smaller number on the circle sizer. Now I am taking my smaller coil and I am giving it a teardrop shape. The shape won't be definite as it is a tight coil. Now I've taken the bigger coil and I'm folding it into half. After which I am applying some glue in the middle of the bigger coil and installing the smaller coil in between. Now I am applying some glue on the outside. And I am winding the third paper quilling strip around it. We will need 5 of these petals. Now I've taken a quilling comb and I've taken a longer strip. I'm putting the strip on the first pole and I'm applying some glue to secure it. After which I'm taking it to the 12th pole and applying some glue on the tip. Again I'm taking one pole downward on the right side. I'm applying some glue. I'm doing the same step on the left side. Now I'm applying some glue and I'm taking one more pole downward on the right side. I'm going to repeat the step on the left side. After which I will secure the strip at the back. Then I'll slowly slide it out of the quilling comb. We will need 5 of these. We are gluing each strip on top of each other on the center. Now I've taken a circular shape border buddy. and I'm using the bottom part to wind my strip. After done, I'm giving it a teardrop shape. Now I'm using the first step of my border buddy and I'm winding another paper quilling strip on it. After which I'm giving it a teardrop shape as well. Now I'm gluing the smaller teardrop shape and installing it inside the bigger teardrop shape. Now I'm taking another paper quilling strip and giving it irregular wave scrolls. Now I'm putting the wave scroll in between the smaller teardrop and the bigger teardrop. And there is a lot of hollow space in the middle. We will need 5 of these petals. Now I've taken 4 different colored paper quilling strips. And I'm starting with quilling a coil. I'm keeping each coil to open up on the circle sizer on a different size. For the last coil, I'm using half of a strip. After I'm done making all my coils, I've taken the biggest coil and I'm folding it into half. I'll be doing the same for all the other coils. After I'm done, I'm applying glue to the biggest coil in the middle and I'm installing one size smaller coil in between of it. I'll repeat the same steps. After I'm done with gluing all my 4 coils together, I'm applying some glue on the outside of these 4 coils and I'm winding it with a different colored paper. We will need 5 of these petals. These are some flowers. Thank you for watching.